What's up, guys? It's Micah J from the block.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X.
Hey human race, welcome back to my channel. I get a lot of questions on my Instagram from people who want to start a YouTube channel and don't really know how to be comfortable. Today I'm going to show you a few things that I've done and that I do to keep myself comfortable. First things first, before you get on camera, you need to hydrate your body because I see a lot of people swallowing all hard. Yeah, so you need to drink some water, boo-boo. Number two, pretend my camera is a friend. You're really just talking to an object. I know that's easy to say, oh, just imagination. But honestly, if you just look at the camera and pretend that you're recording this for your friend, it's much easier. You won't feel as awkward. Wear something comfortable. Wear your best shirt. If you gotta wear that shirt for 3 videos in a row to make you feel comfortable, wear that shirt. If you wanna come on looking like this with a t-shirt, that's great, but as long as you feel good about yourself. And that goes for hair, that goes for makeup. If you want a natural look, do you, but make sure you are getting on camera when you're comfortable. Don't get on knowing that you look crazy, because after you look at the footage, next, don't look at yourself in the viewfinder. That's gonna make you more uncomfortable, more self-conscious, and you're just gonna keep looking over there instead of looking into the lens. And the lens is your audience. It looks awkward, it looks weird, and some people actually click off videos for that reason, and I do. When I see somebody on camera and they're looking over there the whole time, it's just like, okay, are you talking to me or are you looking at yourself because you look good? I know that you're supposed to look in the viewfinder to make sure you're in focus, make sure you're in frame, making sure your hair looks good, but if you're just constantly looking like this, you'll see little stuff. Oh, should I change my hair? Oh, does that plant look good over there? This one is my favorite. Set a timer of how long you should be filming. Don't get on camera not knowing the time that you're going to be filming. And I feel like this works for me because if I say I'm only going to film for 10 minutes, that means I don't have time to be pausing and looking off to the left. Give yourself a timer because you'll get over that hump of feeling nervous because you just want to hurry up and get your video recorded because you set yourself a time. Number 6. Don't film yourself if you aren't motivated. Get on camera when you're feeling good, when you're looking good, when you feel like you want to film, because it will show through camera and you will not be comfortable. Last but not least, be yourself. Do not try to copy other YouTubers' personalities because it will show through you. That is the best way to be comfortable, because if you look at somebody else's YouTube and you try to mimic their personality, it won't come off as genuine, it won't come off as real. If you're weird, be weird. If you're serious, be serious. Or people like the real you. That's all I can say about that. Yeah, so those are my tips on how to be comfortable on camera. They definitely work. Do these things and I'm pretty sure they will work for you and your growth of comfortability on your YouTube channel. And that's all, folks. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified when I do upload my videos. Follow all my social media accounts so that you can see my giveaways. Click this link to watch my latest video. And I'm out.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X.